Here I've got Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max, and let me show you how to reset location and privacy on the following device. So at first you have to find and select the settings, then scroll down and open General. Here you have to go to the very bottom of the list, locate and open Reset. And now from the following options select the last one, which is Reset Location and Privacy. And now if you truly want to reset your location and privacy setting to factory defaults, click on Reset Settings. Just remember that this operation cannot be undone, so you will not be able to go back to your settings. So once you are 100% sure that you want to do it, click on Reset Settings. And that's it. You've just reset location and privacy settings in your iPhone 11 Pro Max. Congrats! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.